A to Z viral, beautiful rhyme. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, it rolls on the street. C is for cat, who loves to play. D is for dog, barking all day. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming along with small fishes. G is for game, ooh, we love to play. H is for horse, gallops all day and rhyming tip-tip. I is for ink, purple and blue. J is for joker, wow, funny and new. K is for kite, flying up high on the sky. L is for lion, with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for nest, in the tall tree. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for parrot, tan, with the talking sound. Q is for queen, in her shiny crown, on her head. R is for rabbit, running and hopping, up and down. S is for scooter, zooming by, running on the road. T is for toys, ooh, what a surprise.
Wow, are you wondering where I get these incredible toys? I find all my amazing collectibles online, right on Amazon. It's my go-to spot for discovering unique, fun items. You can easily explore and buy these awesome toys online from Amazon too. Dive into their huge selection and find your next favorite piece. Click the link to start your own collection.
U is for umbrella, save me in the rain. V is for van, running fastly on the lane. W is for watermelon, ooh, sweet and red. X is for xylophone, music in your head. Y is for yo-yo, up and down and joy. Z is for zebra, with stripes all around on body. Let's sing again,